Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition engine mount set. This engine mount set is specifically for the Toyota Corolla, Toyota Matrix, or Pontiac Vibe, with the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission from 2003 to 2008. What your engine mounts do is they secure and harness the engine to the frame of the vehicle, allowing for noise and vibration absorption. When these go bad, not only will you feel more of the vibrations and hear more noise coming from under your hood, you can also hear loud clunks and feel that your engine could literally bounce out of your car when you hit or release the gas pedal. When you have noticed one or more of your mounts have gone bad, traditionally the inside rubber parts here have worn down. And while you may have only noticed one or two that are bad, it is highly recommended to replace all your mounts at the same time. This allows for equal weight distribution. This is why we have the complete set, including the front right, and rear motor mounts, plus the automatic transmission mount. This replacement engine mount set is made from high quality steel, with improved rubber on each one that helps prevent cracking under extreme conditions. In fact, each of these are filled with antifreeze to help in even the coldest climates. While this engine mount set is not a genuine OEM set, it is a direct OEM replacement thanks to the necessary mounting locations and studs. If you have any question about this replacement engine mount set, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.